To integrate Maven with Jenkins for building and testing projects, follow these steps. Install Maven. Ensure that Maven is installed on the Jenkins server. You can download and install Maven from the official website or use a package manager like apt-get or yum. Install Maven plugin in Jenkins. In Jenkins, go to Manage Jenkins, Manage Plugins. Search for and install the Maven integration plugin. Configure Maven in Jenkins. Configure Maven installation. Navigate to Manage Jenkins, Manage Plugins, Global Tool Configuration. Under Maven, add the path to your Maven installation. Name. Provide the name for the Maven installation. Home directory. Specify the path to your Maven installation. Create a Jenkins job. Create a new freestyle project or pipeline. Add Maven build steps. For freestyle jobs, add and execute Maven goal step. Goal. Clean install or any other Maven goals like test, package, etc. For pipelines. Save and build. Save the job and trigger a build. Jenkins will execute Maven commands to build, test, or deploy the project.